See, no.
No.
There's nothing there. Just tell me if
Have
there's a
Mike
bruise
look
in
at
there.
it. I can't.
They're bruised.
I don't see anything. Hey.
I'm recording.
What? Let's see.
Is there a bruise in there?
What would Nico do?
This.
Ainsley, be careful.
He's got a little rope.
Yes, bruise.
No, that's blood.
Oh, yeah. Sammy, you're
What?
fine.
Where?
He's got a little
Oh, you're
rope.
gonna be a
and
little
Nico
puppy.
took it out there.
He's playing with a cat
She
toy.
throw it.
He's playing with a cat toy. Wow. He's playing with a cat toy.
Oh, Trouble doesn't like that at all.
Hey, that's Trouble's favorite cat toy. Hey,
Chloe, move your head. Let Daddy get a picture.
he's recording.
Oh.
He wants to play with that cat toy.
And he's soft.
Sammy wants her bone.
You just had a hold of Sammy's ear.
Oh no, give me that bone. Sammy wants it. Here you go, Sammy. Now Romeo's after the bone. Aww.